everybody again. So today we're going to learn about finding the length of a straight line segment and midpoints. Let's start. Although lines are infinitely long, usually just a part of a line is considered. Any section of a line joining 2 points is called a line segment. If you know the coordinates of the endpoints of a line segment, you can use Pythagoras' theorem to calculate the length of the line segment. So, for example 9, find the distance between the points 1, 1 and 7, 9. So this distance is 8 and this distance is 6. So a squared equals 8 squared plus 6 squared. So a squared equals 64 plus 46. A squared equals 100. Therefore, a equals the square root of 100. And a equals 10 units. So this length right here is 10 units. Work example 10. Given that a is the coordinate 3, 6, and b is the coordinate 7, 3, find the length of AB. So AB squared equals AC squared plus CB squared. With C being a point right here. And so that AC and AB meet each other at a right angle. So AB squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared, or 9 plus 16, which is 25. Therefore, AB is the square root of 25, or 5 units. It is 5 units long. Midpoints. It is possible to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment, which is the point that is exactly halfway between the two original points. Consider the following line segment and the points 3, 4, and 5, 10. If you add both x coordinates and then divide by 2, you get 3 plus 5 over 2, which is 4. If you add both y coordinates and then divide by 2, you get 4 plus 10 over 2, which is 7. So the midpoint is here. 4, 7. This gives us a new point with coordinates 4, 7. This point is exactly halfway between A and B. Exercise 10.7. Find the length and the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment, joining each pair of points. So, the length of each one is 8.49, 4.47, 5.66. Well, I'm rounding to the nearest 2 decimal numbers, okay? 3.16, 5, 1.41, 5 again, 6.08, and 11.05. The midpoints of these are 6, 9, 3, 8, 6, 5, 4.5, 9.5, 2.5, 5, 11.5, 3.5, 1, 3.5, 4.5, 2. And for the final one, it is negative 2.5, 1.5. Question 2. Use the graph to find the length and midpoint of each line segment. So, the length of each segment is, again running to the 2 decimal numbers, is 5.39. Wait, no. AB is 5.39. CD is 4.47. EF is 8.60. G8 is 7.07. IJ is 5.10. KL is 12.6. And N is 5.39 and OP is 7.81. And the midpoint of these are, sitting here, 3, 4.5, negative 4, 6, 2, negative 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 0.5, 2.5, negative 3.5, 1, negative 3, negative 3.5, negative 2, and finally negative 4.5 and negative 4. Question 3. Find the distance from the origin, which is 0.00, to point 3, negative 5. So again, you can use Pythagoras' theorem to get the answer of 5.83, or approximately 5.83. Question 4. Which of the points 5, 6 or 5, 3 is closer to point C, negative 3, negative 2? So the point B, 5, 3, is closer to point C, negative 3, negative 2. If you compare the distances. Question 5. Which is further from the origin? 4, 2, and or negative 3, negative 4. So, the point which is further from the origin is B, negative 3, negative 4. Because again, you can literally just make a line here from point A to point B, and then move point A along the circle around point B, with the radius of being the distance of A to B. And the distance will always be the same. So it's just like this. You take the absolute values of negative 3 and negative 4, which are 3 and 4. So that's basically 0.43 or 0.42, which is longer, which is further. Well, it's obviously 0.43. Question 6. Triangle ABC has its vertices at point A, 0, 0, B, 4, negative 5, and C, negative 3, negative 3. Find the length of each side. So, side AB has a length of 6.40, side AC has a length of 4.24, side BC has a length of 7.28. Question 7. The midpoint of the line segment joining 10A and 4-3 is 7.5. What is the value of A? So you just need to calculate. That was weird. Okay, so you just need to calculate. So what is 5 minus 3? Well, it is 2. What is 2 plus 5? It is 7. The answer is 7. 10, 7. Because the average value of 7 and 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Question 8. The midpoint of the line segment DE is negative 4, negative 3. When negative 4, 3. If point D has the coordinates negative 2, 8, what are the coordinates of E? So here you just need to double these numbers, negative 8 and 6. So negative 8 minus negative 2. Negative 8 minus negative 2 is negative 6. And 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So the point E has a coordinate of negative 6 and negative 2. So that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.